Hey guys, happy Thursday. We made it through Monday, we made it through Tuesday, we made it through Wednesday, and we made it through today. Today is Thursday and today is a great day. But guys, what are you thinking about today? I just want to say something to you guys. I hope you guys enjoy what I am about to say. So without further ado, guys, time is ticking away. Who am I? I'm glad you asked. I am the child of the Most High, and so are you. You are amazing. You are awesome. You are gifted. You are bright. So what are you doing with your time? Are you just letting it tick away? Are you doing something about the time that you have here? So guys, I am only here to inspire you to do something great. Do something not only great for yourself, do something great for others. Because we know the time goes by very, very fast. One day we are here and the next day we are here. And you will look back and say, where did the time go? And you didn't do anything. Do something great every day. Even though it may not seem like it's good every day, and we have all these calamities and chaos and things going on every day, when you look back over your life and time is winding down, you will be able to say, I did a lot of things with my time. I did a lot of great things for other people too. So with that being said, guys, love yourself so that you will love others. And this world we live in is beautiful, but it'd be much better if we would do some of those things. So guys, I hope you took something away from this message today. Guess what? You are a child of the Most High. And He looks at you, you are His king. You are His queen. You're His daughter. You are His son. You're His aunt, uncle, niece, nephew. You are all those beautiful things. And if nobody has not told you anything like that today, you are awesome. You can do whatever you want. Anytime, any place, anywhere. That's all I have for you guys today. Be great at what you do. And love unconditionally. We're gonna just get into it. So what I'm doing now, I'm making some water because I need to wipe off the top of the fridge. So I put some baking soda in there, and I'm going to use a little bit of Dr. Bronner's. Smells good and it cleans really good. This is what I hauled from the bins or whatever. Yeah. So let me see. I'm going to use a little bit of I only got a little bit. Let me get a drop of vinegar. You only got a little bit, you're only gonna need a drop, okay? Uh-oh, that was a couple of drops. But yeah, guys, I'm just tidying up a little bit, so I was like, you know what? Why not bring them along for the, kind of like, it ain't a clean with me, but while you guys are here, you guys can watch because there's some things I need to move around. Not so much move around, but what I'm trying to say is, I got these, y'all remember these are aprons? These here, I really, really like these. So they were at the bottom, let me put them right here. They were at the bottom in here. So I'm like, wait a minute, I took them out and I'm thinking, guys, time is just going by really, really quick. So if you find stuff that you really, really, let me put this back. Let's go put this back. I had to water her and put some more dirt in her. But if you're finding yourself, you enjoy some things, you can't really enjoy them when they are like placed somewhere where you can't see them all the time. That means you won't really use them. So that's my thing now that I'm focusing on is using what I have and placing, how can I put it? Placing things where I can see them so I can use them. You know what I mean? So let's put this baby here. Oh, I don't want to drop her, y'all. Hold on. Let me put her right there so she can get some sunlight. Y'all, it's really sunny here today. I can't believe it. So, yeah, I wanted to water my baby and let her get some sunlight. So, yeah, if you can't see stuff, if you can't see things in your home and they're not like in eyesight, you're not going to really use them. So I just was thinking about that when I got ready to say I was going to wipe off the top of the refrigerator, because I'm going to try to find some metal hooks to go here so I can place them there and I can see them, and I will use it will make, you know, it will make me use them. So yeah, that's what that is what I'm working on today, y'all. That's about it. So I'm trying to hurry up and get out of here. Really, I need to get out of here. That's what I'm trying to say. Yeah. So the top of the refrigerator is very dirty. Not very dirty, but it's dirty enough where it needs to be wiped. So what are you guys doing today on this beautiful Thursday? You got any plans? Are you cleaning? Yeah, guys, I just want to enjoy the little things that I have, and I don't want to live not enjoying the things that I have. So it's just something that I'm learning to do, because you can't take nothing with you, so it doesn't make sense to like be trying to save everything, and unless it's money and you're gonna travel and things like that, that's different. But to hold on to stuff and you're not using it, it's just really, really, that's kind of mind-blowing to me that we do stuff like that. And I think that comes from things that our parents, we probably seen our parents do. I know my mother is one of those people. Not putting you out there, Mom, just saying. And like now I have to, even with my children or my mama or my sisters, my brothers, and I know that they're doing that, I always try to implement, you know, why we should not do those things. So, yeah. You'll never be able to enjoy it if you just keep saving it and you don't never use it. What's the point of, you know, what's the point of having it and you're not using it, you're just holding on to it? So, my daughter-in-law bought us these, and I love them. And the thing about that, now that I'm thinking, look how well it matches the kitchen. So I wanted to clean, when I had them sitting up there after I took them out of the bottom of the sink, it just made me think like, I will use these more. Just like yesterday, oh yeah, go check out the other channel, Simply Like Vegan, because I posted a video of a cook with me, but it was quiet. I didn't do a lot of talking, and then you didn't see this face. So I think you guys will enjoy it. But even with that, I could have wore, you know, I could have wore one of these. So, well, I would have wore mine. But yeah, these were gifted to us. And if they're just hid under there, you can't use them. So I'm gonna try to find me a magnetic. I would rather like a muted gold. My daughter found some at the place. So if I ever come across, I will put them here. And I want to hang these because they match the kitchen. And it would be easy for me to quicker to grab it and use it because it's right there and I can see it. So yeah, guys, that's all I really have for y'all right now. I'm gonna get ready to leave, and we'll probably check back in a little later. And y'all, look at her. Do y'all see how she's like got new blooms and stuff? Little look at that. This one right here. It's just a lot of them all over. That one, there's one up there at the top. So yeah, I will see you guys a little bit later, okay? Y'all, ain't this a beautiful basket? I'll tell you how I got it. So, I know y'all didn't ask, but you probably seen it sitting here and wondering where did she get that from? She just took a basket back. But this is from, oh wait, hold on. This is from, y'all know, Threshold Target, but it's a cotton basket with these beautiful handles with the snaps. I think that's really nice. But anyway, in one of my videos, I don't know if I showed you, my girlfriend, she bought this for her home, And she got it home and told me that she didn't have anywhere else to put it. So I ended up buying it back from her the other day. So she called me and told me that she didn't have no use for it. And I think the day that one of the days that we did go shopping, when she had it, I kept saying, oh my God, did they have any more? Because when we go in those stores, everybody spreads out. So I was like, okay. She was like, you can have it. So I paid her $10 because that's how much it was. She was trying to give it to me. And I'm like, no, you just take that $10 and go buy you something. The next time we go, you'll have, you know, that money. So yeah, so that's how I got this basket. And actually I'm going to put this in the walk-in closet in the hallway to store hats, gloves, and scarves and stuff like that. So yeah, that's how I got that basket. Oh, y'all, I'm back. I just left from going to pay a bill. Well, pay on a bill, and then you pay the half later on because you ain't taking all my money. No. I gotta talk to y'all too about these programs. I will talk another day about like programs for your energy and stuff like that. These people are crazy. But I'm here to make a donation, guys. So I am parting with my Threshold. You guys remember my Threshold cotton towel. I got 3. Why do I need 4? No, I don't need it. So this is going. Puma socks. No, yeah. Some Puma socks. He don't wear. Hey, y'all, let it go. I'm letting go Polly and Esther today. Y'all remember this? OMG. She's so cute, but guess what? Polly and Esther gotta go. Let them go. And for all you men, it's gonna be some Polly and Esther's out here for you, okay? Y'all remember this? This was super cute by what is it, Bailey 44? This was so cute. Yeah, Polly and Esther gotta go. So for all you guys that want to date nights, go look for Polly and Esther. Y'all, I'll see y'all in another video. Peace and love. And remember, love yourself so that you'll be able to love others. So this world would be a better place. Oh, I got to make sure I got my glove on. Wait a minute, y'all. I got to get my other glove on because she's not trying to touch anything. Okay? Anything. Y'all be careful what y'all touching out here, all right? Yeah. It's something behind what I said, y'all. Trust me. It's always something good behind it. All right, my job is not, oh, no it's not. Y'all, I forgot I got tools. Not tools, but I got things out the toolbox that somebody can use. Because there's males that shop here. I got hooks, things that you can wheel stuff around, curtain rod hooks. So yeah, this is not just clothes. They take all kinds of stuff, but you have families that shop here. So there's male and female who shop here. So a guy can use these. I almost forgot. So guys, I will see y'all all tomorrow. Blessings and peace and joy be among you. Okay, I got to go. I got to go. All right.